Welcome to Super at 60. I'm Darlene. I'm so happy you're joining us tonight. This guy next to me, this handsome young man, is my son Lewis, and I'm so proud to have him with me. And we just wanted to bring you a special little Christmas gift. I wish I could come and give each one of you a gift and a card and a knock on your door, but since I can't do that, the closest thing I can do is this. So I hope that you enjoy.